sensibility and practicality define the 2010 Mazda Mazda3. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is still under 75,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, and power windows. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Mazda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.